Hi, it's me again. Today we are opening FabFitFun. This is the fall box for 2019. And you may think, Mandy, it's January 2020, but I purchased this through the editor sale and I'm not sure what's in it. Like some people got, when it was fall 2019, they got to pick certain things that they wanted. And I have no idea what's in here. I did watch some unboxing videos and I'm hoping that I don't get the cheese tray with the knife. And I hope I get the earrings, but I'm gonna guess that I get the opposite of that, but we'll see. So let's get started. The box is beautiful. I love hearts. Opening it up. It's very pretty inside. Comes with a magazine and a thingy for HelloFresh, which I've been wanting to try. I've tried it before. There's a little heart sticker. Rip it open. Oh, okay. Interesting. I was kind of hoping to get this. It's a 2-in-1 grinder. You can grind your salt and your pepper. I'm going to open it and see if it comes with salt and pepper. Would that be weird if it did? It doesn't. Okay. But I can buy some, right? Ew, it feels really nice. I guess you put salt in one side, pepper in the other. Pull off the little cap. There you go. I'm so weird. It's really nice. That's really nice. Next, we have Truffle Therapy by Skin & Co. And this is, oh, it's a toner. I don't have a toner. I haven't used a toner in years, but I'm willing to try it. This says purifying formula for all skin types. I see something in here. This is the exfoliating sugar cubes in the scent Juice Cleanse. This looks really neat. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like candy. And these are the little sugar cubes. I think that'll be fun. My girls will like to try that too. Next, a little container of Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. Okay, I think I remember seeing this. They're little crystals that you mix in with your skincare to add some vitamin C to your face. Next, we have, I believe this is a wallet by From the Cloth. It comes in a little dust bag. Oh, feels good. It's almost like a linen, a coated linen. Beautiful stripe pattern. This is it opened up. I actually need a new wallet. The wallet that I have is pink and sparkly and beautiful, but it's starting to wear around the edges. I see something very pretty, but it's covered in worms. I got the ultra soft plaid scarf. I don't wear scarves a whole lot. Is this navy or is this, yes, this is navy. My coat is it navy? What do you think? My coat is black. I'm not sure if it'll look good with that or not. I don't think I'll open it up. I think I'll pass this on as a gift. We still have a few more things down there. I didn't get the cheese tray. I did get the Aveda Daily Hair Repair Instant Visible Repair. And I think this is, let's see, shake well. Oh, it is liquidy. Put a small amount of product in your hands. Apply thoroughly to damp hair and comb to distribute. Do not rinse. We'll see how this does in my thin hair. I don't like to put not rinse out products in it because it's so thin that it'll weigh it down, but maybe this will be okay. We'll give it a try. And last but not least, something that I'm looking forward to is Human Plus Kind or Humankind Body Souffle. Skincare with a Conscience. This is vegan and cruelty free. I'm going to see what this smells like. Oh, safety sealed. That's good. I can't really smell it. I don't know. I've been having sinus issues, so it's either very lightly scented, maybe like grapefruit. Ooh, it feels really good though. let's review everything that I got in this box. We got the Body Souffle, a hair treatment by Aveda, the Vitamin C crystals, the Add to Your lotion. We got the really soft scarf, it matches the scarf really well, a wallet. What else? We got the salt and pepper grinder. These, which I'm really looking forward to, the Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar scrubs cubes, and the face toner. Is that it? Yep. I think that's everything that we got. We could look at the values if you wanted to. Let's do that. These Harper and Ari scrubs, sugar cube scrubs, are worth $16. The truffle oil toner is worth $30. The hair repair is also $30. It says that the salt and pepper shaker is worth $21.95. The cut from a cloth wallet is worth $60. It doesn't feel worth $60. Wow. This scarf is $75. No wonder it feels so soft. It says the cosmetics Pure C is $54. I had to double check. Wow. So the value of this box is good. A lot of the products I may not use, but that's what you get when you get a mystery box. Some of the things you'll like, some of the things you won't like. The total value for my box was this. And I'm excited to open up I have a winter editor's box that's downstairs. I'm excited. I will get that later in a separate video. Thanks for watching.